Alright, hey guys. Today I'm going to be showing you a few websites you can get your airsoft guns on for cheap. First one will be Airrattle. So yeah, it'll be Airrattle. I typed it at the top. I typed it on Google. See, type the first one: airsoft guns, airsoft rifles, pistols, and more. Yeah. Okay, yeah, we have all this for a very cheap price and high FPS. Tommy guns, yeah, it's kind of expensive. If you're looking for CO2, then you can get airsoft guns, CO2. You get to pick. What do you want? You want a pistol? Yeah. So yeah. Look at this. This is only $20, and it's a gas pistol, and pretty beast actually. It might be small, but it's kind of beast. It's pretty beast. Yeah, another $20 one. A $40 one, although it's a revolver, so 45. These are all good prices for gas ones. Oh, this one's really good price. Oh, I don't know too much about this or this. Maybe too expensive. But most of them, if you go to airsoft guns, like airsoft spring pistols, yeah, they break easy, but who cares? Look, 200 FPS for only $6 plus shipping. Like my friend got an M4 off of this for only $20, and it's actually real beast. Like, look at this. Like, this is like really low priced and not high priced at all. Like $13 for this metal airsoft pistol. Sometimes you save more than you buy. Yeah. Let's see how much FPS is on this one. I just clicked the random one. 220 for only, let's see, $13. I would buy that. If I had the money, obviously. This one is 200 FPS for only $5. Probably not going to be as good, but yeah, you can still use it. 200 FPS for this. And that is actually kind of beast. Like, I think that's kind of cool. It's like that. And then you can go to airsoft spring rifles. I'll show you. See, only $8 says Uzi. Don't know if it's automatic or not, but I gotta go to the $20 one to show you what my friend got. Right here. Here we go. The M14 rifle, and it is pretty freaking beast. Like, yeah. 300, 350 FPS for only $25. And yeah, that's like a real good price. Also for this thing right here, yeah, this, oh my bad. 480 to 500 FPS on this sniper rifle. For only how much? 124. Yeah, that's a real good price. You can go airsofting with this thing. Alright, another website you can go on, it's Hobby Airsoft. Hobbytron, yep. All airsoft guns, Hobbytron. You could even airsoft pistols. See, this one for 50 FPS, but it goes like 3 inches. But it's only $1. Actually, I looked at it for a few minutes. I was like, "Ooh, should I get this?" Even though it's only 50 FPS, even though it's a what do you call it? Even though it's a horrible pistol, okay, I'll get it. and then it's $10 because of shipping. Alright, I'm gonna go back. Cheap airsoft guns. Here we go. This one, yeah, this one is beef. Like, if you watch it, FPS 300 on Hobbytron, that's actually very good. This is a good thing. You can get all this. So you can get this gun, this airsoft mask, this bag of BBs, these targets, an airsoft loader, and a BB gun for $80. Or, yeah, $80 hunt, pretty much. Yeah, they're pretty good. And so, another one would have to be Airsoft GI. Airsoft GI. Okay, yeah, there's a store for this. So, also another one, yeah, you can just look through these. These are kind of expensive guns, but this is a good website. Okay, this is actually a store. It's called Golden State Airsoft and Paintball. So if you live in San Diego, you already know. It's in where is it? Hold on, I'm looking for the hell. Yeah, so they have paintball because it's a paintball store, and airsoft guns, like very nice ones too, like the sniper rifles. You have free shipping over $100, but it is expensive. I think I'll do internationals all over the world. So thanks for watching my video, and I hope you like. I love please subscribe me and buy an airsoft gun. Bye.